It's Ibrahim. I'm about to talk to you about everything you need to know to fully understand the system. I'm about to break it down. So thanks for watching now. MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to get money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other. Peer-to-peer system, no central account, do not hold your money. Now, what we're saying is MMA is a situation when you can go online, provide help for somebody, and when you are in need of help, get help. I can't see a more beautiful outcome than that. I don't know how to explain that for you right now because it's already obvious. When you need help, you get help. When somebody needs help, you help them. Neighbor's keeper, what tells you? And there's no central account that you say at the end of the day they can run away with your money. No. If you are running away, it's on that person that's running away with it. So who are we? Over 200 million members worldwide. Gosh. 118 countries. The largest donation exchange network in the world. Unbelievable. In 1994, MMA held 1/3 of the entire cash in Russia. Please understand this 1/3. 1/3 of the entire. 1/3 is like the government didn't have money. Let's say they had money, but 1/3, like in 1994, it was actually put in a central account. So when everybody are putting their money there, banks were not going to be functional right now. They were not going to function in 1994. But right now, 2017, it's not a central account. It's just a transfer from your card on that person like that. It was recently reported that the Bitcoin prices are being driven up because MMM works with cash and Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency developed in 2009, if I'm correct. Now, normally when you buy Bitcoin, it's like buying shares now. You buy Bitcoin, you allow it to appreciate, and when you want to sell it, now selling it is sort of a big problem because you won't see someone to buy the rate you sold it and that price is down. Now, with MMM right now, you can actually donate in Bitcoin and actually receive in cash. So there's no need to go and find someone who will buy and no that's it. We are a community that is built on helping people become free, financially free. With the 30% you are receiving, it's like you attach the money so you can use it for whatever business you want. Now, what is our ideology? Creating a fair financial system where money will be no issue. There will be no issue. It will not be an issue like not going from a friend to a friend, ask, bro, help me with this, help me with that. No, it's not be an issue. Invest, just put your money there. At the end of the day, get your initial cash and 30%. Creating a platform where there will be no need to go to bank to borrow money to execute financial project. If financial project like establishing a business so that you can employ people. Now, instead of us to go to the bank to ask for loan, where instead the bank to reduce the interest rate so that we can actually pay, but they increase it to make gain. So they are not helping us, they are not helping outsiders. They're actually making it tough so that we can't actually pay. But MMM ideology, they actually give you the cash that you fund your project and make a financially free one. Now this is how it works. Now, instead of a central account right now, we don't need a central account. We just transfer from a participant to another, just like that. It's like a circle. So nobody is actually holding the entire cash. No, we're not paying it to a central bank. Nothing. We're actually sending it through. Now this is the dashboard, if I might call it the dashboard. The provide help tab, that is the green button, is when you have cash and you want to provide help in order to get your 30% bonus later. Now when you're providing help, you're not sending to a central account, you're sending to a participant who has clicked the get help button. And the get help button is when you have given help, you wait some days, and now it's your turn to receive same help. So when you click the button, the available withdrawal is there and you can get what you want. Now, what is Marvel? Marvel is the internal currency of the system. Marvel amount will start going for the moment of deposit at the rate of 10%. This deposit is that after you have not just clicked the button, when you click the button, yes, it starts growing from there. It's immediately start growing. At the moment you just decide that I want to provide help, it start growing 30% per month. The calculation of each rate occurs twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. This sum in Marvel shows how much you can impress yourself. Now, it's this interest. Tuesday was actually the old money. Right now, it's in such a way that it grows every day. It grows every day at rates. So you don't expect your Marvel to grow every Tuesday and Thursday like the former system. Right now, it grows every day. So where does the 30% come from? There's no interest rate in MMM. In MMM, after you donate money, you get rewarded with Marvel. Marvel is an index of your tribute to the development of the community. This index grows at 30% a month. It's just a technical term. Programmers can adjust this growth rate of Marvel anytime, at any moment. The amount of Marvel and its growth rate can be decreased, increased, stop and down. Now, recently, the programmers have actually increased it from 30% to 100%, like where you donate 10,000, you get 10,000 back. That is 10,000 to 20,000, 20,000 to 40,000. It's quite fascinating right now, because right now we are more PH than GH. I will explain everything, don't worry, just now. MMS 30% cycle. You provide help, as I said earlier. You get help, the withdrawals, take out your profit, come back to PH or take all, and that's all. Now, what it means is that we're trying to show you that there's no need to run away. We're not stealing your money. If you want to continue getting help and maintain the 30% you guys are enjoying, you can. But if you decide to go, nobody's chasing you. You can actually leave, or you stay with us and keep any more. And that financial bondage that you're always in, you break it and run away from them. Now, this is a mathematical. This is how you actually get help. 20 times 100, 2,000, total. You can actually read this up, but I'm going to explain now. On my left side is the provide help queue, and on the right side is GH and get help queue. Now, if you mathematically approach this, you can see that out of the PH queue by your left side, you can actually get the donation at your right hand side, which makes them 30%. That is how you get your 30%. We're not investing your money in any way. Just that, let's take the first 200 now. The first two will sum up to 200, and you can pay, and with that 200, you can pay the first one. Why add and the first one? Why the third one can be added and you pay the second one? It's a approach that Marvodi, very a wise man, benefit. We are offering a mutual aid program with 30% growth payment for donation, growth of Marvel per month. Now, what does it mean? It's per month, 30%. Everybody stores money in the bank. Now, we store money in the bank, and at the end of the day, they actually collect. Well, what other techniques is saying that so amount has been collected for SMS charges. For Christ's sake, I didn't even ask you for that. Most of us ask for that, but even though £4 a month is enough, because you don't send enough messages. Now, this is standard growth rate, 30% per month. It's frozen for 2 weeks. Now, it's actually frozen for 2 weeks. It shows the amount after you pay and recover. It's frozen, and it shows a blue bar. When you have not paid and come out, it shows a red bar. After 2 weeks, you're allowed to request the entire sum or part of it. After 2 weeks, it shows a green bar. It's green. That means when it's green is for go, obviously. Now, sometimes it's after 2 weeks it's frozen, and the third week it shows green. You can withdraw it, but it's better you leave it for the entire month so that you can actually get your 30%, so that you won't say you were cheated or not. Now, registration bonus for all you first timers. Now, after registration, make the first donation. The participant receives a donation in the amount of, when you donate $20. If you get a donation, if you donate between $50 and $499, you get $20 extra. If you donate from $500 to $2,999, you get $50 extra. And the donation from $3,000 or more, you get $100 extra. So it's like, how do I put it? It's like, not everybody if you go to a bank account, you get 1/3 of it back as a bonus for coming. Now, we're giving you a bonus for registering with us. I thank you for registering. Take your extra 30% more. Also, take this your registration bonus for actually joining us for this. It's too awesome. Referral program. Referral bonus. You get 10% from all donation of the participants invited you members from the communities, your additional community. Now, what do you mean by referral bonus? Now, referral bonus is additional. You get 10% from when you introduce someone into the system and he uses your referral link to register. Now, once that person donates, you get 10% instantly from that donation from whenever. Say, as far as he continues donating, you are entitled to 10% of his donation whenever he donates. It's very lovely. Become a manager, finishing 10 days online school and earn management. Managers of the MMA community can create their own multi-level structure and get a bonus from each of the donations of every partner in their structure. This is a multi-level bonus, thus the manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher than him. Manager's bonus vary depending on level in this one. Now, who is the manager? The manager is, in this time, we call them our guardian. Now, the guardians, they say when you are in need or you're in trouble, like maybe you don't understand why this is happening or what's going on the MMA community, your manager is the one that will explain everything. Now, being a manager is quite respect. Being a manager, you can get your own bonus and everything. Bonus, you get 10% from your referral, 10% from your downline, and it's very nice. Become a manager. Now, these are the manager bonuses go. You can see the first level participant, you get 5%, second level 3%, up and down. You just keep earning as a manager. You should all try this. Beware of the risks. Beware. MMA is a community for peer-to-peer money exchange. Thus, MMA only distribute money between each person. Now, what we're doing is the MMA. We cannot say we're not using your money to do anything. It's just the money is being transferred from everybody. It's transferred from one way person to another. You pay to pay money. So there's no way that we can hold all the money. I've actually explained this before, but it's a risk. We all have to take this risk. Here on my hand. Security in pause mode. Now, this pause mode is when the GH, people getting help more than the people actually providing help. So we pause it so that we can the community can get back to normal before anything else can happen. But it rarely happens, so it really happens. Rarely. Build and development. Our big and fast growing community can succeed. We provide budgets for advertisement, offline events, charity events, winning club. Like I said earlier, they actually welcome ideas. So of the public, you can come, welcome your idea. If it sorts it out, and if it's if we see that it can actually help the community, we give you money to start it up. The rules for safe participation, not that much. You should not have multiple accounts. You can PH as much as you want. That is the first rule. No need for multiple. You can PH, like do 20,000 today, tomorrow do 40. It's up to you. As far the money is there, and the penalty is that all your accounts will be blocked. You will be banned. Do not share your email or bank. You don't need to share with another person. You will be blocked from getting up. You have given identity of your proof. Do not delay in paying for your order. Penalty will be blocked. Straightforward. Do not edit your boundary or change by less than 15 days before getting it. You'll be delayed for extra 14 days. So no need to change everything. Do not click on I refuse to make payment for more than once a month. Penalty will be blocked. Do not make deposit and fail to attach proof of payment. Penalty will be blocked. You always attach. Do not fail to confirm your payments. You will be blocked. Do not allow your family member to PH more than you. If they have more than the amount you PH to donate, let them do it through your PO or tell them to register through your guardian link. You will be blocked. Do not allow somebody to competition. Always remember to write your letter after your GH. Max date to write your letter after GH 3 weeks. That is all I have to tell you about MMA. You are welcome to join. It's a lovely community, and I really hope you watch this video and you actually come and join us, because it's something exceptional. It's nothing that have been done before. Other schemes come and go, but MMA is here to stay. MMA, you rock. We are here till you leave. Long live MMA. Thank you for your time and have a very wonderful day.